Kyle tanggal angas Echari. Maraming natutuwa sa TikTok video ni na Andrea at Kyle sa dump account ni Andrea. Maraming nagsasabi na tanggal angas ni Kyle kay Blythe. Paano ba naman kasi napaka-cute niya sa video na yon? Kung saan mali yung nabanggit niyang lyrics sa kanta ni Taylor Swift. Marami rin nakapansin na balik Englishera na ang ante nyo mula nang nagkasama ulit ang mag-best friend. Narito ang video.
Ano sabi mo? But I can see it's lost in the... Come on, don't be shy. Nasabi mo na kanina eh.
No, I'm afraid.
Say it again. Sing it.
I can see it's lost in the... Oh, it sounds so stupid. No. What is it?
Listen to it, Kyle. Come on.
It's like
I don't think you...
Memory.
Napaka-cute nila guys, please lang no, napaka-genuine ng mga smiles nila and ito naman yung mga reaction ng netizen. So marami talagang nakapansin sa pagiging cute at tanggal angas ni Kyle. What can you say sa Kyledrea guys? So let me know in the comments, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys, stay safe.